Pfister Top Fit Faucet Installation. Installing a kitchen faucet can be time-consuming, frustrating, and painful. Pfister's Top Fit installation technology eliminates the hassle and lets you easily install your kitchen faucet from above the sink in just a couple of minutes. Say goodbye to yoga poses and backaches. Use the included Top Fit key to raise the innovative swivel bracket for a quick and secure tightening of the faucet to the countertop. It's that simple. In this challenge, you will see how fast you can install a Pfister faucet with Top Fit. In this challenge, you will complete Pfister's Top Fit faucet installation by installing the Miri one-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Here's how to do it. Start at the left side of the competition table with both hands placed on the timer. Start the timer by taking both hands off the timer. Place the spout body, faucet neck, and Top Fit install tool into the black tote. Move to the right side of the table to the work area. Complete the following in order. Hold the bracket in a vertical position and run the spout body water supply lines from the spout body through the circular opening on the display set. Place the Top Fit install tool into the top of the spout body. Using the provided drill, tighten the Top Fit install tool clockwise until the metal bracket is snug against the bottom of the counter. Remove the Top Fit install tool from the top of the spout body. Unscrew the connector piece from the faucet neck hose. Pull the faucet neck hose through the opening in the spout body. Connect the faucet neck to the spout body using the alignment groove in the rear. Screw the connector piece back onto the faucet neck hose. Push to connect to the copper spout body supply line. Secure both spout body water supply lines to the L-shaped brackets. With the Top Fit install tool inside the black tote, return to the starting position. Place both hands on the timer to stop the time. Keep the pace up and get recognized as one of the fastest techs in the USA. Show the sponsors your support. Go to hdsupplysolutions.com and search Maintenance Mania to buy Pfister products. Maintenance Mania is brought to you by the National Apartment Association, HD Supply, and these national sponsors.